Hey guys, my aligners are here. So in the beginning of July, I scheduled an appointment with the Smile Shop, smiledirect.com. Pretty much I want to straighten my teeth. I'll insert some clips of what my teeth look like. I do have an overbite. I have a few teeth that I would like to be adjusted. Specifically, this tooth here is a little bit crooked and it kind of overlaps the one right next to it. My bottom row has some teeth in the front that protrude out. The biggest issue I have is an overbite, but it's not really an issue for me. I just want my teeth to appear straighter. After I complete my aligners, I do plan on getting my teeth filed at the bottom. I do have some ridges, so I want to wait until my teeth are straight before I have them filed because I don't want them to be misfiled at the end. Okay, so let's open the box. It says, open for a lifetime supply of confidence and Smile Direct Club. So the box actually came in another box, just a regular standard box you'd probably get from Amazon, which actually I think it was shipped through FedEx, but. So there's a little flap here. If I can get this thing open, got it. All right. Inside, there's a pocket up here. Not sure what's in here, so we are discovering this thing together. So in the little flap at the top, there's a book, a pamphlet that basically goes over your guide to your aligner journey. They want you to take pictures and show off your smile and tag them online, which I may do. Okay, a little bit of promotion. They have the, I guess, the little chewy things you need to chew in order to make sure you get your aligners in place. Here's a little advertisement to tell you, I guess, where to get them from them. So that's the guide. Next we have, I'm having trouble getting this stuff out. But we have the little whitening gel, which they gave me a free whitening kit when I got my scans done. So these are just refills for that. Here's a lip balm, which is my second one. They gave me one at the visit as well. And here is the aligners case. I'm gonna try to get this stuff out. Down here are the chewy mints that help to get your aligners in place, and some fuzzers, I think, to clean your aligners. I'm assuming that they're supposed to clean them. Okay. So let me open this thing up, or do my best to. Okay. The aligners case looks like this, purple, which is pretty handy. And I guess this is, oh, it says an aligner remover. So if I'm not able to use these claws, I can use one of these to remove them. Based on what I was told at my appointment, I do need to wear my aligners all day, even when I go to sleep. The only time I will not wear them is if I'm eating something or drinking a liquid other than water. So that's what I plan on doing. I have watched a few reviews from people who have been through the treatment or who are going through the treatment. And one tip I was given was to take your aligners out 30 minutes before you're going to eat, because it's a little tense. The aligners are tense on your jaw, making it uncomfortable, and it makes you not want to eat. So one of the people, I can't remember her name, she suggested that you take them out 30 minutes prior to eating so that you can enjoy your meal. If not, she said she would eat like soup and sandwiches, things that are soft that wouldn't further irritate your teeth. I plan to follow the plan exactly the way that it was given to me because I want the results that they're offering. And I feel like the only way that I will get those results is if I do follow it to a T. So this is a smile stretcher, which they use to scan my teeth at the appointment. But I guess if you want to take pictures of your teeth and post them online, this will help you get an accurate view of your teeth in order to post, so people can actually see all of your teeth and not what you want to, just what you want to show them. Because I know when I take pictures, I definitely show what I want to show. And people are like, oh, your teeth are great. And I'm not going to negate that. My teeth are great, you know, based on the perception of someone who believes my teeth are great. I don't think my teeth are awful, but I don't think an improvement would hurt them. I don't think straightening this tooth that's a little bit crooked would hurt my teeth at all. I don't think getting a smaller overbite is bad either. So, to each his own. That's what I say to that. You know what? Hold on. So like I said before, I had my appointment on July 4th or 5th, and now it's July 31st. So that's about 4 weeks, or close to 4 weeks. They do say on the website 4 to 6 weeks to get your aligner, so it varies. Before I got my aligners, well no, after I paid for my aligners, I told you guys I was looking on YouTube videos, people's reviews, and I ordered, hold on, I'm out of breath. I'm up the stairs, I need to start working out, but I ordered some teeth care items, whatever they're called. So I'm gonna show you guys that briefly. So I ordered some aligner cleaners. This is like a foamy, let me open the box, because I'll be using them pretty soon. It's very simple. So it's a foam. You're supposed to spray this in your aligners and put them on your teeth, or when you're cleaning your aligners, you can clean them. Pretty much the purpose is you can whiten your teeth and clean your aligners at the same time. So for me, that's pretty handy. I love white teeth. Someone also recommended getting the Colgate Advanced Health. This helps improve your health, the health of your mouth, reduces plaque, freshens breath, helps prevent gingivitis. Since you're gonna have something on your teeth, covering your teeth all day long, the plaque is gonna build up inside the aligner on your teeth, which could possibly cause your breath to smell terrible. And this is supposed to help with that. So it has a green film inside, and I think that green film reveals what's coming out of your mouth. So I plan to use this a lot because I do want fresh breath. Very important to me. And clean teeth. I typed in reviews on YouTube for Smile Direct. So none of this stuff is me just doing research on my own. I looked at other people's videos. They told me what they use, what worked for them, and I'm trying it out. So this is the Natural Dentist Healthy Gums Anti-Gingivitis Anti-Plaque Rinse. Someone told on YouTube, I really didn't put the names down, that they, I guess, had sensitive gums or experienced bleeding due to the aligners. This treats bleeding gums, so she recommended it, and it freshens your breath. So I guess the main purpose is for bleeding gums, which I don't think you could ever go wrong with being proactive. So I went ahead and got it beforehand. Luckily, by the grace of God, it was delivered before my aligners got here, so I'm very grateful for that. Here is the whitening kit that they gave me for free. I have all this stuff in one drawer, so I don't have to look, search, none of that. It's just right here. I got some tongue scrapers because, I don't know, the tongue carries so much bacteria. So this is supposed to help with that. I got 2 of them. All of this stuff I got from Amazon. every single day. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna put in the aligners off camera. I'll post on my social media. Instagram is _ Aiyana Khali. I'll see if I can write it on this video. If not, I'll leave it in the description box. _ Aiyana Khali, which is _ AIYANA KHALI. No space in between. Facebook, Aiyana Khali, which I don't really post often on Facebook. Better luck on Instagram because I do post on my story a lot. And, well, often. And sometimes I post videos on there. So, yeah, guys, I will see you guys in 3 months. Be in a music video easily. I always wanted to be in one that was more like a Tony Montana kind of thing. Like not seductive, but like so I wanted to insert this little clip, have the aligners in, kinda. Okay. They feel a little tight. Right now it is July 31st still, and it's 5:26. So first time putting them in. I'm gonna sleep in them, hoping that they'll adjust and I don't talk too funny for too long. Week 1, here we go. I took a video because I don't think you would be able to tell a difference, but here it is. And yes, the lisp is expected, but as it settles, it should minimize, maybe not completely go away while I'm wearing these. Here they are. They feel tight, but not unbearably tight.